PSL itself, आपने तो most successful team franchise में तो बना ली. Now there's this whole conversation going on कि जी PSL को IPL के साथ साथ करो, do it at the same time. And कि हमसे international players, you mentioned coaches as well, we get the best talent from the IPL to come coach or play in the PSL. So firstly, do you think it's a good idea for the PSL to happen simultaneously with the IPL, or should it happen at different times?
So the jury is still out. I think PCB has done a press release as well. I think we are doing the numbers. The key is that the T20 league circuit has become very crowded, right? So you are always competing with someone except for IPL, where there is no other cricket happening, right? And but the financial muscle they have, no one else has that. That's a reality. So you need to see what the reality is and then come up with the best possible solution. I think the negatives are clear. That IPL सब देख रहे हैं, आप क्यों आ जाएंगे? कोई देखेगा नहीं या player नहीं आएंगे. I think so, those are obvious. The flip side, which are the positives, I think those need to be considered as well. The first one is that there is no international cricket happening. So theoretically, therefore, the number of player availability beyond who are playing for IPL actually should be higher. क्योंकि आप फेब में जब खेल रहे होते हैं, आपकी 3 लीग्स हो रही हैं, इंटरनेशनल सीरीज हो रही हैं, इंडिया मेक श्योर के श्रीलंका, अफगानिस्तान भी आप इसमें खेल रहे हैं. So a lot of things are happening basically, right? So at least during IPL there is no other international cricket happening. So player availability can be higher, and we are doing analysis on that. Number one. Number two is that viewership. 95% of your viewership actually is from Pakistan, and that's the biggest strength of Pakistan, like India, that your domestic viewership is very, very high. The numbers are really good. So हम lose नहीं करेंगे, 5% lose कर लेंगे, but the non-resident Pakistanis and others actually can. And there was a marketing guy, not to be named, but in the sports circuit, they were saying actually that if they are back-to-back games, 2 hours apart, then probably the viewership can go up for the second league as well, actually, because वो लोग अपना पूरा 6 घंटे ब्लॉक कर लेते हैं. वो कहते हैं अच्छा 2 घंटे PSL देखेंगे, फिर स्विच करेंगे IPL को, फिर वापस आ जाएंगे PSL पे, right? So I think that actually potentially can happen as well, and then it potentially can be a permanent solution as well if it works well. Because permanent इसलिए होगा क्योंकि IPL में तो कोई और कुछ हो नहीं रहा, so you don't have to worry about कि कोई और commercial league आ गई है या आपका Champions Trophy आ गया या World Cup आ गया, and therefore your window is gone, and therefore you need to do something else. So if you have permanence, if Shayan and Pro Pakistani know that in April PSL is going to happen in April every year for the next 10 years, you will plan very differently then. You'll say कि यार अच्छा ये मेरा calendar block कर दो, for the next 10 years I'm going to do these things. Right now the key is कि हम 6 हफ्ते पहले तक तो announce ही नहीं करते कि कब हो रही है. So I think there are a lot of positives. So again, it's one of those decisions basically that we don't need to become emotional about it. You put it on paper, analyze it, and see what
दिमाग से
what is the best decision.
And what about, we all are very emotional कि पाकिस्तान में क्रिकेट हो, पाकिस्तान में, माई सेल्फ इंक्लूडेड. वैसे तो आई लव वॉचिंग गेम्स, कोई पिंडी में या कराची में. बट व्हाट अबाउट इंक्रीज प्लेयर अवेलेबिलिटी? अगर हम फॉर एग्जांपल कुछ चंक ऑफ PSL गेम्स दुबई में कर रहे हो या समवेयर एल्स, लंदन में, दैट्स आल्सो बीन टाउटेड आई बिलीव. What are your thoughts on that?
So I think 2-3 points to consider there. I think the first one is, and this is my personal view, वो देखें जब आपका अपना ब्रांड वो या कॉन्फिडेंस ज्यादा हाई ना हो तो you start doubting everything basically, right? So तो कि जी बाहर ले जाएंगे तो पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा, या सिर्फ अंदर रखनी चाहिए, पाकिस्तान की लीग है, पाकिस्तान में होनी चाहिए. IPL has done that. I'm giving you that example because उनका benchmark है basically. IPL has taken it to Dubai, taken it to South Africa a few times for different reasons. Election हो रहे हैं, COVID है या जो भी मसले. So I don't think we should doubt. If it makes sense, we should do it. So that's the number one thing. Number two is that I am personally, again, a big believer that you need fan involvement, and fan involvement the maximum can happen in Pakistan. Simple सी बात basically. जो इस्लामाबाद पिंडी, जो पिंडी में आपके पैशन होता है या जो लाहौर में पैशन होता है वो कम होगा basically, right? So you need to find a place where you actually can fill the stadiums, because the fans bring huge amounts of energy and passion. सो वो आई एम नॉट श्योर कि आप दुबई में कर सकते हैं कि पूरा स्टेडियम फिल हो जाएगा कि नहीं हो जाएगा, आई डाउट इट, पर हो सकता है। अगर बट अगर इंग्लैंड में कह रहे हैं कि आप ले जाएंगे और वहां पे इट बी अ सेल आउट, व्हाई नॉट? पीएसएल तो पाकिस्तान की है ना, वो तो पाकिस्तान की ही रहेगी। बट इफ यू आर टेकिंग इट आउट, आई एक्चुअली थिंक यू एक्चुअली आर एक्सपेंडिंग पीएसएल इनटू अ बिगर ब्रांड geographically as well, and then other opportunities come up. So like
Yeah, and
IPL or IPL teams are doing it. Why can't Pakistan do it? We should
yeah,
definitely think about it.
IPL teams are doing it. The English Premier League is doing it. WWE is doing it. Lots of different sports entities are doing it, and it's what UFC is doing it. अच्छा, आपने अभी बात की ना believing in your brand. You're a team owner in the PSL. You're directly involved in this. Do you believe that we can one day be as big as the IPL? Can the PSL ever compete with the IPL, or is that not even a question?
So आप उसका तो देखें, ये इंडिपेंडेंट आंसर तो है ही नहीं, ये तो डिपेंडेंट है। जो रिजल्ट है इसका डिपेंडेंट है। आप मुझे बता दें कि पाकिस्तान इकोनॉमी कितनी बड़ी होगी जब इंडियन इकोनॉमी जितनी, जिस दिन उतनी बड़ी हो जाएगी पीएसएल उससे बड़ा हो जाएगा आईपीएल से।
fair enough.
It's a very simple,
मुश्किल लग रहा है.
Yeah.
but this is not a flippant response, and this not only mushkil, but I think unless until obviously we outperform India, but if they are 5 times or 6 times bigger than us on population, so that their numbers are more. It's very simple. So I really think we should not benchmark के जी उनकी अगर 1 बिलियन की बिकी है ब्रॉडकास्ट, तो हमारी तो अगर 50 मिलियन की बिकी है, so that's really bad. That should not be the case. We should do a like for like. Like for like is कि आपकी 6 टीमें हैं, उनकी 10 टीमें हैं. Like for like is कि उनकी अगर economy is 9 times bigger than your economy, then your broadcast right will not be that. You have to adjust it for apple to apple. आप comparison करें ना, जब आप वो करेंगे, you need to outperform on that. And then obviously if the economy grows faster, then you do even better. So like for like PSL actually is doing very well, and it's the second largest brand. It's the biggest brand Pakistan has produced.
इसमें तो कोई शक नहीं है.
So we
अच्छा,
should
so
always be critical and
yeah,
improve and try to improve ourselves, but we should not lose sight that it's a known brand. It probably is the biggest global brand Pakistan has ever produced. And that's an accomplishment. And foreign cricketers and coaches and cameramen, they like coming to Pakistan and spending that 1 month, despite all our lack of movement and all that stuff. So I think there are a lot of bright spots